Hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money from sunny Punta Cana, Dominican Republic at the Hard Rock. And look, already in the spirit of the beach, ready to hit the beaches. But wow, what an exciting trading day today. Unlike some days, we were down almost over $100,000 for a little while today. And then we skyrocketed back up. I was up at one point $172,000 when CCIV got just like took off like a rocket ship. And then unfortunately it came all the way back down. But miracle, winner, winner, chicken dinner, we finished today up. So not by much, but we finished today up. So hey, you know what? I will take it. $8,000 profit today. When CCIV started taking off, you guys should have seen this today. CCIV, look at this chart, the 1 day chart. It was just like, hovering. Well, it's up a little bit here, like 20 cents. It's kind of like down 30, 40 cents. I was like, down 100 grand. And then out of nowhere, it just was like, whoosh, and then it started coming down, but at least it was able to hold its own and maintain it, especially while the S&P 500 hit another record high today. But lots going on in the markets. Take a look at the futures. They're probably flat, I would bet. But it's very interesting with this whole Johnson & Johnson, with canceling this, vaccination right now and pausing it and everything. And it's very interesting about all this. I mean, one, like also, obviously airlines and all this stuff tanked because of this, like this one vaccination. But how many, worldwide over 1 million people, and I think in the United States over 500,000 people. Like I said, you never want one person to ever, not survive. But they're pausing all these vaccinations. They said 6 females. Like I said, and nobody's died from it. 6 females, they've all recovered. I mean, obviously they need to figure it out, but to me, that is pretty drastic. I mean, this is something that, they're worried it's killing hundreds of thousands of people. This is 6 people in a 3-month period have had a blood issue. Like I said, I'm not saying they're guinea pigs or who cares about 6 people. Like, nobody should ever die from anything. But in the whole scheme of things, they said we're losing 900. We lost 930 people yesterday in America because of COVID. This is 6 total people. So hopefully they solve it fast. Hopefully it's nothing too drastic and it gets everything back on track. But like I said, I was happy today we had an update. Another rule, never try and make a trade, start day trading penny stocks and over-the-counter stuff when you're about to get on an airplane. I did that, and I had one successful trade on RGBP. Then I sold it, made some money. It came back down. I actually bought it at a lower price than I had bought it even the first time around. It started going up. I started selling it, and then it came down a little bit. And I was going to lower my price, but I wanted to still take some profit. And then I was getting on the plane. I put in a limit order just in case it dipped, and of course it crashed. So unfortunately, we made a couple of thousand the last couple of days, but right now we are down $8,200 in our positions. But so I'm looking for a pop in the morning. I mean, it doesn't really have to move very much, and this thing will be right in the money. So hopefully it gives us some good luck. But in the whole scheme of things, all I really care about is CCIV. I just want CCIV to go up $1 tomorrow, make 300,000 or something crazy, really blow it out. But that's what's going on. IDX today was pretty much flat, didn't really do anything. We lost 2 cents and we made a penny on the hedge. We still have $4,500 left there. Jaguar didn't do anything today, down a penny. It's a miracle for that one. And Ericsson was actually up today, so we have some money on these calls and stuff. Unfortunately, the research team today they've had a losing day finally. And I got to give them credit. At one point today, they were down like $2,500. Then they came all the way back. I think with RGBP when that was running and stuff, they came all the way back and they were up about 500. Unfortunately, they had a losing day today, and they were down $1,000. So lots of trades there. Don't forget, guys, all my Patreon members, my trades in real time, I put them on my Patreon account for you guys, and all the research team, they're on the private Facebook Patreon page. So make sure you follow that and everything. And other news, the big news, the Coinbase IPO tomorrow. Bitcoin, all-time new high, $63,000. And this is pretty crazy because it had just dropped, a couple of weeks ago, last week, down in the low 50s. So came right back really strong. Everybody says this anticipation of the Coinbase IPO tomorrow. I don't know how much of that I believe. I mean, obviously this Coinbase IPO is going to be massive. It's going to be huge. I think it's going to hurt, and I think that's why you're also seeing probably some of the meme stocks, like GameStop and AMC and a lot of that stuff start to tank, because all these guys, they want to go play. They're going to go play Coinbase tomorrow. I would speculate that Coinbase is going to open up really, really strong, and then it's probably to come down some. So, because it's very interesting. You have to remember, Coinbase is a Bitcoin trading platform, or for cryptocurrencies, but it's not a Bitcoin play. There's Coinbase doesn't own massive inventory of Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin goes up, it goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, it goes down. It's a cryptocurrency play, obviously based around mostly Bitcoin, but it does not. It's not going to be affected by the price of Bitcoin. So if a lot of these people are going to play it and sell their Bitcoin tomorrow, it can actually drastically hurt Bitcoin's price, because they're putting the money into Coinbase. Then if they sell Coinbase to go back to Bitcoin, so definitely some interesting stuff. And I think one of the reasons you're seeing Bitcoin run again is all those people, on the GameStop, got out and said, let's, do Bitcoin and some other stuff. Also, did you guys see Tesla today? This thing skyrocketed. That guy who had those $700 strikes, he should be really, really happy today. I hope he sold them and made a lot of money. Tesla today up 60 points, 8%. No clue why. And like I said, none of the other, car companies really followed. NIO didn't, do a whole lot today. 3%, $1. But IDX, some of these other ones, it's interesting. But yeah, NIO just blew it out today. I mean, not NIO, Tesla just blew it out today. So also Apple blew it out today. Almost 135. I think closed around 134, right in there. Got as high as 134.66 today. But Apple, it's coming back near those highs. If Apple, if you see Apple hitting the highs, it means that the Nasdaq's probably at all-time highs also. But like I said, Apple's been creeping up, doing good. So definitely be interesting tomorrow. Stock futures are flat ahead of earnings season. Already got earnings kicking off again, so it's going to be exciting. Also, Apple announced a new iPad coming out, they announced a new event with iPads and stuff coming out. So it's going to be pretty good. But hey guys, let's take a few questions from you guys. Paul says, Roger, you're the man. I appreciate all you do with this channel. Also, I can't wait for CCID to take off. LOL. I had one question about a stock. What do you think of Plug at its highs? It was in the $70 range. Now it's settling in the 20s. Do you think it's a good time to buy? Plug was another one of those that when the electric stocks and all that stuff ran, had a lot of good news. I think the problem with Plug right now is it's just overvalued. You have a company that's losing money. It has great technology. It's going to have a great product one day and going to sell a lot of product. The issue is, I think it's just everybody was on that hype train. In my honest opinion, great company. It's got a great future. Just like Palantir, Palantir that everybody always asks about. But I wouldn't be a buyer here, looking for it to skyrocket. If you do own it and you want to maybe cost average down a little bit, but yeah, I don't think it's going to go insane right around and stuff. So, Matthew says, what is your opinion on Yeti with outdoor events coming back? Sorry, guys, I forgot to have the screen up to show you guys Plug. But Yeti says, what is with outdoor events? So, anything with outdoor events is going to do good. I mean, obviously, everybody's ready to go, the future and stuff. I don't know anything about this one, unless this is the container or the cup company or something. Yeah, packaging, food, drink. I don't know. Here's what I would say. I think outdoor stuff's coming back. I think people have bought everything for outdoors. Outdoor stuff. While venues and concerts weren't really big last year, but people were huge about being outdoors last year. So definitely want to check it out and stuff. But Jeff Scott says, is BOD at the topless beach? He is. I think I saw him out there. So, yeah, we have a great room and stuff this time. Michael says, what do you think about XRP? I think all the cryptos are going to run the next, into this, into the Coinbase stuff. The real question is going to be when people wake up and they say, wait a second, all of a sudden Coinbase stock drops, they're going to go, oh, let's get out of it now. Or if they make money really quickly and then go back into crypto, it could really launch crypto. if Coinbase does really well, people will pull out, crypto stock, their crypto holdings and buy Coinbase. So it's going to be interesting, but there's a lot of money in the market and it should be pretty good. Rod says, what is holding CCIV back? I think they just need some news, something about deals about to close, ready to go, stuff like that. But I think we'll get that pretty soon. Also, guys, you're not going to believe this. I have a special guest with me down here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Michael Richter is here with us.
Oh, I'm back.
So, but yeah, no, the cryptocurrency and stuff is just, it's big, and it's definitely going to be big. So tomorrow with the whole thing. Ninja says CCIB need to wait for the first production to show up, then it will start running. Very true. No, like I said, they just need some news. It's been quiet. We were getting news and rumors every day, and we haven't really had anything yet. So Smoking Man says Yeti was good a few months ago. I feel it's overbought now. That's kind of like, I agree. Like I kind of said, people have bought a lot of stuff for everything outside of what they're doing and stuff. So it's definitely going to be interesting. But hey, you know what? You know what I want to do for you guys? Let's show them around. You guys want to see what paradise looks like? This is what you do. You make lots of money in the market, and then you just come to paradise. So this is our room. We got just a massive room they gave us for me and Michael. So if any single ladies are watching, you guys want to come down, you got two good-looking single guys. No, I'm just kidding. We're ready to mingle. But unfortunately, you can't flip these cameras, so I'll have to do it in reverse. So you'll be looking at backwards. But this is outside here, right here on the beach. See the ocean way out there. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is our top floor villa penthouse. This is the presidential suite. But it's just massive. It goes all the way down here. We have rooms all the way down that way. And then I'm way down here. So we won't have any noise complaints coming. Michael's not going to hear any noise out of my room tonight because he's so far away now. But just a beautiful resort down here at the Hard Rock Punta Cana. We got about 50 people came down to join us. They're all excited. Everybody. I'm probably the only guy me and Michael are probably the only two who haven't been drinking yet. Well, he's not going to drink because he's not old enough. But everybody's already been at the pools and everything. We were driving around. I'll show you guys. They gave me my own golf cart. So we have I'm the chauffeur, driving around. We got our own little cart. I'm walking all the way down here to this side of it. So right here, see if you guys see here. Down here's there's our private cart that we drive around the island. So this is the Isla Steakhouse over here. But it's just so beautiful down here. I mean, it's just so relaxing and nice. And as I said, I'm already in spirit. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna day trade my way out of that RGPB. We'll make something happen with that one. You can't catch them all, but I'm not worried about that one. We'll do it. We just need to catch CCIV this week. This week next, it's going to hit, and it's going to hit big when it does. So, not too worried about it. But we're still got it going and stuff. But hey, guys, I'm going to be live tonight in the casino also on the Big Jackpot channel. So if you guys like my other channel, you like slots and more gambling, the market doesn't close ever. It's like first the stock market, then the casino, then back to the stocks. We go all night long. But hey, guys, that's what I got for you. This is Raja Makes Money. You guys are the money makers. We finally made some money in the markets today. So I am very, very excited about that. And we will have Raja Makes Money tomorrow. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, make sure you follow me. And hey, guys, best of luck in the markets tomorrow. Please, CCIV, give me 50 cents. That's it. That's all I want tomorrow. 50 cents. All right, 25 cents. I don't care. Actually, I want $2. Give me $2. Okay. But hey, guys, thank you so much for joining us. And I will see everybody later on tonight. First on Facebook, then on YouTube on the Big Jackpot channel. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow on Raja Makes Money. Take care, guys. Best of luck in the market. And see you guys soon.